This is Ground Media UG.
Abavubuka muve ku biragalalaga. Abavubuka muve ku ebiragalalaga bibi. Drugs are bad. Okay. Yes, even though you're there, yeah, you think that if you stand and you do a ABCD, you think everything will be okay. But I'm telling you, drugs are bad.
This is Ground Media UG.
We are good to go. Are you ready?
Yeah. Introduction,
as you can see me now, I'm called Stickman Musudan, is right? A prominent Ugandan. All of us same, and we younger, we are what are you? I eat you, I bring you good message from the Fangoni soldiers and the Fangoni commander and the Fangoni forest, the entire forest. Yes.
As the Fangoni minister.
Yes.
You come from the ghetto.
Yeah, man. Yes.
The government came out authorized.
So, Embereyo, as I talk, that thing was in the court, and the constitutional court ruled out, and they said, no problem with what are you, no problem with we younger we are, but as long as you can handle, if you can't handle, don't try. And drugs are bad, my friends. Abavubuka muve ku biragalalaga. Abavubuka muve ku ebiragalalaga bibi. Drugs are bad. Yes, even though you're there, yeah, you think that if you stand and you do a ABCD, you think everything will be okay. But I'm telling you, drugs are bad.
Fangoni minister.
Yes.
You represent the Fangoni forest.
Yes.
Where the president is the alien skin.
Yes.
You always portray and show people that eating this green grass,
yes,
the so-called mira, is good. Is it a good image from the Fangoni forest?
First of all, that's why we advocate for peace and stability about that thing you call so-called mira. First of all, those are eating mira in public is bad.
Eating marijuana? No,
marijuana is another
is what?
another system.
And mira is what?
Mira is chewing. So when you're eating mira in public is bad. You're showing some bad image to other youths out there.
So you mean the president of Fangoni showing a bad?
No. For him, he's doing it as him. Okay. And he has never done it in public.
But you always on TikTok live.
That is his phone. That is his only TV. If you're in your own house, what do you do in your own house?
I do a lot.
Yes, you do a lot of things in your own house.
I can't do it in public.
Nanti, that is your own house. His phone is his personal phone. Let bygones be bygones. Okay. Let things be things. For him doing what he's doing in public is on his phone. Have you ever seen him like going in town, in concerts, doing what he does on TikTok? No. TikTok business is TikTok business. Yeah.
So you mean the audience on TikTok supports it?
Have you seen anyone blaming him?
But that's where we come and we say that it's not good to sometimes used to go on stage.
If it's bad, the constitutional court. If it's bad, the constitutional court could not rule out that do your thing.
Okay.
If it's bad.
Yes.
But if you know you're poor, financially not stable, don't eat mira. Don't eat mira if you don't.
Put some emphasis on that.
Don't eat mira if you don't have money, because mira needs expensive things.
Like what?
Water, milk, eating well.
Yes.
You know.
After and before.
Yeah, after and before.
Okay.
So that's why you find many guys like they steal because what you've taken inside is demanding for something.
Okay.
So don't eat mira if you don't have money.
If you don't have money, don't eat mira.
Don't eat mira because mira is first of all expensive. You can spend like a emitwale 50,000 you can money.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
On mira only.
I'm telling you. Not the per day, just 2 hours only. The 3 hours you spend chewing,
yes,
you can spend like 50,000 you can money.
50,000.
And if you add on, you can even reach 200.
So,
to be satisfied, because it will lead you into temptation.
Like which temptation?
You need the nyashi, you need the water all over. Okay. You know, you need the akokunywa, okay, you need the chicken, many things.
Which means when you chew mira, it directs you in different ways.
No, it doesn't. You can control it because a person with strong minds can control mira. A person with less minds, not heavy minds, can't control mira. That's why alien skin is still doing it.
So you advocate?
Yeah. By the way, in Uganda, 100%, 97 eat mira. In Uganda, even
in Uganda,
97% in Uganda.
They also smoke.
Not cigarette, bushweed.
Bushweed.
Bushweed. In Uganda, 97.
What's the difference between bushweed and the other weed?
Bushweed doesn't, bushweed is not cocaine. In Uganda, people misuse words like drugs and a weed. Drugs are many. Drugs are many. There are heroin, there are like ice, there are buunga, many things. So bushweed doesn't make someone to go insane.
So when you say bushweed doesn't make someone to go insane,
this one which we do smoke doesn't make anyone to go insane.
We have seen so many artists, different celebrities.
Yeah.
They go mad.
Yeah, true.
We had the likes of Chutkaye.
No, they're using the other ones.
Which ones? Not bushweed.
Yeah, they're using the manufactured drugs. Those ones, they are manufactured. These ones are natural. A natural, a green grass, green weed.
Okay.
That's the weed. That's the nature.
Green. Which means that green is also taken off, because when you smoke, it is not green.
What are you asking?
Okay, Andy.
Yes.
You have told me.
Yeah, man.
Chutkaye used not to smoke the green.
Yes, he used ice. Because ice no buunga buno.
What of this guy?
Nandi opiro oyo ice owo bubanga ice cubes obo babusa kugundi nakoleza omuliro nagira bwe busingo kubo bubi binyo yesibe abantu dalu noba malnalishti tolia Jamie culture sebo sigundi si ice byachika Jamie culture ya misbehaving na ebyechikabye nanonye empewe stalizize nizimukola bwesto si drugs. Yeah.
Kati tulaba waliwo mchala yali mchala wa Chutkaye naye mbera ya mutabukako
nati byebyo gambe byebyo they are using drugs for omanyi for you what you have baga no bagamba nti drugs ne weed byanjawulo. Drugs gwe mira panado mukaga you're misusing drugs oja kufa ochegede oja kufa no mina gundi mukaga oja kufa lwaki muga drugs lwaki muga drug shops ekigambo kya luzungu ekyo ne mukibuusa amaaso ne muga drugs and you say drugs every drugs you close drug shops because they're selling drugs. You know?
Which means you advise the government to close the drug shops.
No, I'm not advising the government. I'm advising you people to not misbehave the words or to mislead.
Misinterpret
the words. True. To misinterpret the words. You know weed, isn't it?
Yes.
What is weed? Weed is the unwanted plant in the garden. Yes. What are drugs? These are tablets which are taken, but if you misuse them, they cause
harmful to your body.
What go on there say?
Okay.
People take green tea in COVID. People got green tea. People.
Even now.
Even Mami Alima came out and said,
Yes.
Mbutufu twakozesa ebiragalala tetumanyi ebiragalala twakozesa mu covid ninga buli muntu yakozesa ebiragalala okubanga abeezaawo obulamu bwe. You know kye bakozesa kimanyi bakozesa wiidi gunamujja mu nnimiro gwowe enkoko neewona.
Yes.
Oyo government gwe yavayo nekkiriza muno mu mulime agende tumuse mu ddagala.
Kitegeeza abana abapoliisi abadde basaawo ennimiro z'abantu. It is now clear.
Nanti I won't say it's now clear.
Okay.
Not totally it's clear, isn't it? But there is another way how things.
Okay.
Hope kasente ako kasente obaned.
We are still in the minister.
I'm still in the interview.
Okay. So, minister.
Yeah, man. Meta.
I want someone.
I'm in the interview.
I want someone there who is watching us.
Yeah, man.
Who advise that little child who is still young as the minister from the
Fangoni Forest.
Fangoni Forest. You advise them how to use the green weed you are talking of. The unwanted grass.
Kachino kansizana mu Luganda. Owaye kuwandiika ki?
We continue.
Kyoyita ekyo naawe. Gwe kyembagamba. Kanvene mu Luzungu mullo.
Kale.
Bino byalamuko mwana bavubuka bannange mavubuka bali mukundaba kuguno omukutu. Bino byalamuko mwana.
Mukutu gwa ground media.
Muvubuka ndaba gano nkwagabwa mwana. Muvubuka ebiragalala bibi mwana. Abavubuka ndaba mwana. Tubeerawo bangi peer groups zino nezitusikasika nti musudan akikoze masasa akikola ambassador akikola nze mbawanga sikikola. Bantu bangi bamayuse mwana. Bantu bangi bali mu rehab. Bantu bangi bagenda mu rehab ate bagenda mu rehab. Ovayo gudde buguddalu. Kubanga rehab tekuwa solution. Rehab bagenda kuwa ddagala lya bulalu. Kumekinga ngoli dormant bot. Bovayo kyekiddako ng'ovudde mu rehab. Ogenda kuddamu kola biki bintu byebadde ngokola. So kumuvuka ndaba kino kigenda eri gwe mwana weebeeremu manya obulamu bw'oyagala manya fayiro gy'otambuza jjukira nti bw'ofuufa bw'omu bw'ogedda eddalu oligwa bw'omu wadde mba nakuyigiriza how to smoke weed naye nze ate ndi mulala nnyo. Don't do as I do but do as I say. If I go and do that I do and you copy what I do, that will be bad. If you do what I say and you copy what I say, you'll be my servant uncle. Ogenda ko yolovolofa nago mvubuka ddako temuli faida mwana mullo mufuwe byagalaga temuli ate especially ice enjaga gyemulengera mu filimu y'obuwunga nolengera olinga akoleza ka foil paper nadda nagira bwati navaako webuuza omuyimbi yali omunene kyekimukozza omuyimbi eranyirira lwaki atambula ekiro mabaala teyeebaka munange enjaga eno ya wiidi bush wiidi yeebasa ekuwa appetite munange enjaga ice eri tolya teweebaka ekusika busisi obanga alina tibbi buli lunaku osiriminga busiriminzi obanga alina tibbi enjaga eyo gwe muna Uganda ndaba tunulira abayimbi bo bomanyi nti ono yali bwati kati ali bwati weebuuze kiki gwe batunuulira abayimbi bo n'abakyala abayimbi gwe begendereza abayimbi bo ne mu bandi music balanza okukozesa ice ababandi abasinga mu buuse mulimu amaaso mugabuusiza wiidi eno smoking eno puff pass n'abajamaica gye bayima nti puff pass ne mugenda ku heroin ice buwunga bina drugs byebyo mafuta g'ennyonyi bani omwana atuuka n'awulira nga bino byakoze tebikyakuba kagenda ku cocaine oyo gwolengera oguwunga nayisa mugondi ebyomu firimu byonna abazungu bageza kutulaga muno bibi empisa eyo gwe tokosa akantu nofuna akajiko nowekuba nona mu film na ulianga kakanye nga nensi etambudde muvuka munnange andaba akozesa amafuta ali amayirungi kugambye mayirungi wa bbeeyi watomusobola muleke kwa ojja kubba mullo ojja kubba bakusibire bwerere nga kyutika ye kubanga bakatala k'emmotoka teyali kyutika ye aiso oyo munnange oba enjaga y'obuwunga oba enyumikwa mu mpiso munnange weekuggwako ebyo mu nnyumba ebikalungo bitunda mpola engoye ng'ogyejjako esaati ekyo bigwawo ng'otaka kubba bintu bya munno kamera biki okwebeezaawo obulamu otambuza enajeyo so ino bushweed tekulidde nga kogenda kugala ki kubba ate sura ddalu tesula ddalu bantu bangi bagikozesa sinsinga gudde ddalu bangi ate era esima mutwe tali muntu afuwa weed atebuusa taliyo ng'osmokings weed tali atebuusa eva baba sharp mbongo baba palabayo abamanya ekiddako takkiriza kwokya gwe mbuliye omuvubuka yeekalakaasa mbavuka bana beekalakaasa teri muvubuka alina nviiri afuwa weed nga mu ghetto ave mu ghetto yagenda yeekalakaase kyekiddako era bwesanga beekalakaasa babodaboda babugaali naye bayita abaakubwa tasobola kuva neyeekalakaasa amanye ekiddako
enviiri ze bazitwala
nti bajja kuntereka eruzira bajja kuntereka ekitali